I have another lawnmower find that I picked up a few days ago back. It is a Husqvarna MD51 MD with a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. Sorry for the shadow. I picked this up from somebody not far from where I live. They said it was in back of their house when they moved. They didn't try to see if it even started or anything, and they just had it on our little classified ad to sell it. So they didn't try to start it, and he just said they just wanted to get rid of it. They just bought a regular lawnmower. But I have never seen one of these before. I'll do some research on it. But it's a mulcher. There's no side chute. It's got a throttle that works. It's got the original Briggs & Stratton handle on it. Pull cord looks alright. This is loose. Stop cable works, to my knowledge so far. I'm not sure about this engine though. It's a Husqvarna, but I'm not sure of the engine. But it's a good frame. Nice and solid. This dirty from sitting up. Primer bulb engine, and it was from a place that sold it here not far from the area I live in here in Tennessee. But underneath, it's not bad. It's actually pretty clean. I'm not sure about the state of the blade. I'll have to take that off if I'm able to get it off. But this is a 97 model, so I'll show you a little bit more information about it, and we'll take off the air filter and check it and the oil. Let's check this. Oh, this thing's on tight. I don't think it's ever been taken off. That could be a good thing, it could be a bad thing in a way, but we'll find out one way or another. It's actually not too bad. It's got a lot of debris, but it's kind of saturated with oil. It looks like it feels heavy. So I'll probably be replacing that filter in it before I start it here. Let's check the oil now. Let's check the oil here. And I don't know if it'll show up on here, but it's overfilled by a lot, but it's clean, so that's a good sign. Here, if this doesn't make out, here is the model and serial number. Looks like it was made in June 3rd of 1997. Also, you can see where it's been sitting up. It's got a lot of cobwebs in it. Let's check the side chute. It's all not too bad of shape. This needs to be cleaned. Blade. We'll try to sharpen it. See if we can do anything. The wheels look like they're in decent shape. Rusty though. This wheel is alright so far too. This wheel has been replaced at one time, but still good. And so this one, the adjustments work. Right now it's sitting at the highest level. So I'm going to spray some carburetor cleaner in here and try to see if this thing will start. I got a feeling there's going to be a carburetor issue since it's been sitting up. I'm going to spray some carburetor cleaner in here. I'm going to see if this thing will try to fire. Let's see what it'll do. Here we go. I know it'll fire. So, this is going to be my next project to do. This Husqvarna MD51 mower. So, stay tuned while I'm going to take this carburetor apart and we'll go from there.